here we go. Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna give you some tips if you're a beginner to graffiti art. So these tips are from my experiences and observations from painting, and basically I'm giving any beginners advice just for painting legal walls and tolerated spots. So, you know, stay away from the illegal painting because that doesn't really do you any favours in the long run, especially if you get caught. So my first top tip is to use chrome for a fill and maybe one or two other colours, so just keep it really simple. Two reasons for that. So first one is so you concentrate on letter form and actually getting a good structure of letters, and then the second is just to save money. And if you save money, then you can just paint more pieces and practice more, and in the long run that will serve you better than trying to paint a piece with like 20 colours in it, and yeah, it won't do you any favours in the long run, or in the short run I should say. So the next tip is to start simple with your letter structure and general letter linkage. So I see too many beginners kind of down at the wall and they try and paint too complex too quickly, and it really doesn't do them any favours as well. It's better to kind of paint something really simple, straightforward, and just concentrate on the structure of the letters. Next tip is to paint sensible sized pieces. I either see beginners or people who are quite new to graffiti art painting too big or too small, and obviously too big, you lose yourself on the wall and letter structure gets lost and you waste loads of paint. And if you paint too small, then you can't get enough detail in, and yeah, it's generally not a good idea as well. So try and find a happy medium, something big enough to, you know, get your detail in, but also something not too big that you kind of lose structure and letter form. My next tip is to stick to using two different caps. Don't try and use every single cap that's available to you. Simply use a skinny cap for your outlines and sketching and all that kind of stuff, and just one fat cap for filling. So a lot of the time I will use say like a level 1 for outlines and sketching, and then I'll use a pink dot fat cap for filling. Simple as that. Keep it simple. And then last tip that I'm going to give you in this video, and I think it's probably the most important tip, and that is to simply have fun, because if you're having fun then you're going to enjoy it and you're going to love the process and want to come back and paint more. So if you kind of don't do well and you stress yourself and yeah, not have fun, then you know you're not going to put too much effort into it in the future. So yeah, that is it. That is my final tip for this video. Have you got any tips or observations that you can write in the comments which will help a beginner, whether you've been painting for a few months or whether you've been painting for 5 years? Drop a comment, let me know. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.